Hello, this is Peter here. Using a video sales letter funnel is one of the best ways to get your customers' attention to buy your products. In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps on how to build a VSL funnel in Builderall Canvas so that you can maximize your profit by using compelling sales videos. Let's get started. Video content is the most captivating material today. It usually converts better and builds a stronger emotional connection. That's why more and more brands and companies use video marketing as part of their content marketing strategy. In brief, a video sales letter includes a sales page, a video on it, and a button to sell your product. First, it's important to grab the attention of your prospects with a compelling headline. Then a sales video does the heavy lifting there. Including a short written script and listing the end results are also highly recommended. Additionally, you should also use a high converting video sales letter script to turbocharge your results. I show you how to do that quickly and easily. Once your prospects click the Buy Now button on the sales page, they get to the checkout form where you can also include an order bump. After buying your first product, you can also offer them an upsell and a downsell in your funnel. Let's see how the whole thing works through a real-life example. I'm going to use Builderall Canvas Funnel Builder tool to build up this VSL funnel very quickly with a graphical user interface. Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that includes 30 plus tools under one roof. Builderall Canvas Funnel Builder is one of them. It allows you to create and design complete sales funnels based on your blueprints, along with checkouts, email sequences, CRM, and other features. So not only can you design your funnels, but also create the whole. It just takes a few clicks and no technical knowledge is needed. Once you created your sales funnel on a visual interface, all the pages will be instantly generated for you with a simple click. And one more thing, it's a Builderall exclusive tool. You can't find it elsewhere. Let me give you a quick demonstration. Okay, now I choose the Canvas Funnel Builder tool and enter it. Then add funnel, give a title and description. Let's make it VSL. Then a category needs to be chosen. When I choose all types of funnels will be displayed. And here I can decide whether I want to build a sales funnel from scratch or from a template. Most of the templates are ready-made, so you don't need to do much with them. I'm going to use the video sales letter funnel. The next step is to choose a theme. When you choose a theme, the same consistent design will be used across all your pages. I select Agency Theme now. And here is the blueprint that I can fully customize and generate a website based on this. By clicking here, I can add more pages, landing page, OTO page, webinar, or any other. Here I can configure the pages, change theme, add layout, and set up checkout. The next page is the one-time offer page, or so-called OTO page. My leads land on the video sales letter page. When they buy my product, they will be presented with a one-time offer. If they also grab that offer, they reach the thank you page to access the product. If they say no to the OTO, they be presented with a downsell. And finally, they reach the thank you page again. Okay, now I save my work and generate a whole funnel. Once done, I can continue editing the pages in the Pixel Perfect Builder. I just opened this VSL funnel in the editor. Here you can customize your site, use an attention-grabbing headline, and summarize your VSL in a written format. I'm going to show you how to create a professional video sales letter script for your video. I'm going to use Builderall script generator for that. So I enter the tool now. Just a second. And click My Webinar VSL. I already answered these questions with some sample answers so that I can export the script. Export script, and I open this PPT. Okay. Let's open it. And this is a sample video script you can customize to your needs and record the video based on this. I think it's quite good script. It introduces the problem first, then offers the solution by presenting a great product. So that's all about that script. I am here in the Pixel Perfect editor again. So you put your video here and customize everything on the page. Then you change the OTO, thank you page, done sale, and you do the same. Now you can see how fast and easy it is to build a video sales letter funnel in Builderall. If you like this solution with the Builderall Canvas Funnel Builder and want to try out Builderall for free, click my link below. You get premium digital marketing training and a bunch of bonuses from me when you join through my link. Regular one-on-one support to help you succeed with anything marketing or tech related. A growing number of tools such as graphic design tools, covers and templates. Done for you emails, guides, books, and articles that you can customize and publish. Affiliate Action Plan Handbook, which is a complete step-by-step digital marketing plan to boost your affiliate revenue. If you try out Builderall, you'll have 7 days to test all the tools and features for free. If you found this video useful, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I see you next time.